Hello everyone, myself is Neha Shah, nursing tutor in Index Nursing College. Today I am going to discuss about heart failure. So let's start the topic. Heart failure. Definition of the heart failure: a state in which the heart cannot provide sufficient cardiac output to satisfy the metabolic needs of the body. Heart failure, it is commonly named as congestive heart failure since symptoms of increased venous pressure are often prominent. तो पहले हम जानेंगे कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर क्या होता है। हमारे शरीर में 4 हार्ट चैम्बर्स होते हैं। अपर पार्ट्स को एट्रियम कहते हैं और जो लोअर पार्ट्स में जो होते हैं उसको वेंटिकल्स बोलते हैं। वेंटिकल्स बॉडी के ऑर्गन और टिश्यू तक खून को पंप करते हैं और एट्रिया बॉडी से उस ब्लड को रिसीव करते हैं जो पूरे बॉडी के अदर पार्ट्स में सर्कुलेट करके फिर से हार्ट तक पहुंचाता है। कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर तब होता है जब वेंटिकल्स बॉडी से इनफ ब्लड को पंप नहीं कर पाता और ब्लड अन्य तरल पदार्थ हमारे शरीर के इन अंगों में वापस आ सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज द एटियोलॉजी. What are the common causes of the heart failure? It is common endpoint for many diseases of cardiovascular systems. It can be caused by inappropriate workload, restricted feeling, and myocyte loss. There are 3 causes: inappropriate workload, restricted feelings, and next third is the myocyte loss. Causes of left ventricle failure: volume overload, regurgitate valve, high output status. Next second, pressure overload, systematic hypertension, outflow obstructions, loss of muscles, post MI. MI is the myocardial infarction, chronic ischemia, connective tissue disease, infection, poison. Restricted feelings are the pericardial disease, restrictive cardiomyopathy, tachyarrhythmia. Main causes of heart failure is the coronary artery disease. It is also called CAD. Hypertension, valvular heart disease, cardiomyopathy, core pulmonale. Heart failure, final common pathway for many cardiovascular disease whose natural history result in symptomatic asymptomatic left ventricle dysfunctions. Cardinal manifestations of heart failure include dyspnea, fatigue, and fluid retention. Risk of death is 5 to 10 annually in patients with million symptoms and increase to as high as 30 to 40% annually in patients with advanced disease. Pathophysiology. First is the hemodynamic changes, second is neurohormonal change, and third is cellular changes. Hemodynamic changes. In hemodynamic changes, from hemodynamic standpoint, HF, heart failure can be secondary to systolic dysfunction or diastolic dysfunction. Secondary to systolic dysfunction or diastolic dysfunction. Neurohormonal changes. Sympathetic activities. Favorable effect HR, contractility, vasoconstriction, V returns feeling. अनफेवर इफेक्ट क्या होगा? एट्रियल कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन, आफ्टर लोड, वर्कलोड और ऑक्सीजन कंजप्शन. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड, रेनिन एंजियोटेंसिन एल्डोस्टेरोन. इसका फेवरेबल इफेक्ट रहेगा साल्ट एंड वाटर रिटेंशन एंड VR. अनफेवर इफेक्ट वेसोकंस्ट्रिक्शन, आफ्टर लोड, वेसोप्रेसिन. फेवरेबल इफेक्ट सेम इफेक्ट and unfavor effect भी same effect. Interleukins and TNF may have favorable effect may have roles in myocyte hypertrophy. Unfavorable effect apoptosis. Apoptosis is cellular death. Endothelium, vasoconstriction and afterload. Unfavorable effect cellular changes. Changes in calcium handling, changes in adrenergic receptor, light in alpha 1 receptor, beta 1 receptor desensitization, followed by down regulation. Changes in contractile proteins, programmed cell death is also called apoptosis, increased amount of fibrous tissue. Symptoms: SOB, orthopnea, proximal nocturnal dyspnea, low cardiac output. Symptoms: abdominal symptoms एनोरेक्सिया, भूख नहीं लगना, नोसिया, वोमिटिंग जैसा फील होता है, एब्डोमिनल फुलनेस, राइट हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियल पेन. NYHA classification of heart failure. According to NYHA, class 1st, class 2nd, class 3rd and class 4. In class 1, no limitation of physical activity. In class 2, light limitation of physical activity. In class 3rd, marked limitation of physical activity. And last, class 4, unable to carry out physical activity without discomfort. And according to new classification of heart failure, stage 1, stage B, stage C and stage D. Stage A में क्या होता है? asymptomatic with no heart damage but have a risk factor for heart failure. Stage A में क्या होगा कि heart damage asymptomatic with no heart damage. हार्ट डैमेज तो नहीं होगा बट एक चांसेस होगा, रिस्क फैक्टर होंगे हार्ट फेलियर होने के. स्टेज बी में असिम्प्टोमिक but have sign of structural heart damage. Stage C have symptoms and heart damage. इसमें symptoms भी दिखाई देंगे और heart damage भी होगा. And stage D end stage of disease. Types of heart failure. There are two types of heart failure: systolic dysfunction or diastolic heart failure, and systolic dysfunction or systolic heart failure. फैक्टर एग्रीवेटिंग हार्ट फेलियर, मतलब कि हार्ट फेलियर के क्या क्या फैक्टर्स हैं जो कि एग्रीगेट करते हैं हार्ट फेलियर्स को. फर्स्ट इज मायोकार्डियल इस्चेमिया और इन्फार्क्ट. डाइटरी सोडियम एक्सेस. डाइटरी सोडियम एक्सेस हाइपरटेंशन, सोडियम ज़्यादा की मात्रा में होता है बॉडी में तो हाइपरटेंशन होता है और हाइपरटेंशन की वजह से भी हार्ट फेलियर के चांसेस होते हैं. एक्सेस फ्लूइड इनटेक, मेडिकेशन, नॉन कॉम्प्लियंस, एरिथमिया, इंटरकरेंट इलनेस, एग्जांपल इन्फेक्शन इज आल्सो causes for the heart failure. Condition associated with increased metabolic demands, example pregnancy, thyrotoxicosis, excessive physical activity, administration of drug with negative inotropic properties or fluid retaining properties, NSAIDs, corticosteroid, alcohol. Compensatory changes in heart failure. What are the compensatory changes in heart failure? First, activation of SNS, activation of RAS, increased heart rate, release of ATH, release of natriuretic peptide, चैम्बर एनलार्जमेंट, चैम्बर एनलार्ज हो जाता है, जो हार्ट के चैम्बर्स होते हैं, 4 चैम्बर्स होते हैं वो एनलार्ज हो जाते हैं. मायोकार्डियल हाइपरट्रोफी. हाइपरट्रोफी व्हेन मसल्स जब इंक्रीज होने लगता है तो उसे हाइपरट्रोफी कहते हैं. मायोकार्डियल हार्ट की जो मसल्स हैं वो इंक्रीज होने लगेंगे तो उसको हाइपरट्रोफी कहते हैं, मायोकार्डियल हाइपरट्रोफी बोलते हैं. देन कंपेंसेटरी मैकेनिज्म इन हार्ट फेलियर. mechanism designed for acute loss in cardiac output. Chronic activation of this mechanism worsen heart failure. Physical sign. What are the physical sign of heart failure? High diastolic BP occasional disease in systolic BP, blood pressure, decapacitated blood pressure, JVD, rales, inspiratory, displaced or sustained apical impulses, third heart sound, low pitched sound, that is heart during filling of ventricles. Mechanism of S3, sudden deceleration of blood as elastic limits of the ventricles are reached. Vibration of the ventricles while by blood filling, common in children. Fourth heart sound, S4, usually at the end of diastole. Exact mechanism is not known, could be due to contraction of atrium against stiff ventricles, pale, cold, sweaty skin. Framingham criteria for D acts of heart failure. Major criteria: PND, JVD, rales, cardiomegaly, acute pulmonary edema, S3 Gallup, positive hepatic jugular reflex, venous pressure greater than 16 centimeter S2O. DX of heart failure. What are the minor criteria? LL edema, night cough, dyspnea on exertion, hepatomegaly, pleural effusion, lower vital capacity of by 1/3 of normal, tachycardia 120 beats per minute, weight loss 4.5 kg over 5 days. Management. Forms of heart failure: systolic and diastolic, high output failure, pregnancy enema, thyrotoxis, AV fistula, beriberi, Paget disease, low output failure, acute large MI, myocardial infarction, aortic valve dysfunction, chronic differential diagnosis: pericardial disease, liver disease, nephrotic syndrome, protein losing enteropathy. Laboratory findings: anemia, hyperthyroid, chronic renal insufficiency, electrolyte abnormality, prerenal azotemia, hemochromatosis. इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम: ओल्ड MI और रिसेंट MI, पहले कभी बीमारी हुई हो, मायोकार्डियल इन्फेक्शन, या रिसेंट में जो मायोकार्डियल इन्फेक्शन, उसको इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम. एरिथमिया, सम फॉर्म्स ऑफ कार्डियोमायोपैथी और टाइकीकार्डिया रिलेटेड. LBBB may help in management. Chest X-ray. In chest X-ray, evidence of pulmonary venous congestion, dilated or upper lobe veins, perivascular edema, pleural effusion. Echocardiogram. In echocardiogram, function of both ventricles, इसमें both ventricles के functions देखते हैं. Wall motion abnormality that may be signified CAD, coronary artery disease. Valvular abnormalities ये शो करता है echocardiogram. Intracardiac shunts, cardiac catheterization. When CAD, coronary artery disease or valvular is suspected, cardiac catheterization. If heart transplant is indicated. Potential therapeutic target in heart failure: preload, afterload, contractility. Goals of treatment: to improve symptoms and quality of life, to decrease likelihood of disease progression, to reduce the risk of death and the need for hospitalization. ट्रीटमेंट का क्या गोल होता है कि पहले तो सिम्टम्स को इम्प्रूव करें, देन डिसीज़ के प्रोग्रेशन को डिक्रीज करना। देन थर्ड इज़ रिड्यूस द रिस्क, डेथ की रिस्क को रिड्यूस करना और हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की ज़रूरत, नीड फॉर द हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन ट्रीटमेंट। करेक्शन ऑफ रिवर्सिबल कोजेस, इस्चेमिया, वाल्वुलर हार्ट डिसीज, थायरोटॉक्सिस, अदर हाई आउटपुट स्टेटस, शंट, एरिथमिया, medications, CA channel blocker, calcium channel blocker, some arrhythmics. Approach to the patient with heart failure, assessment of LV functions, echocardiogram, radionuclide, ventriculograms, EF greater than 40%, led to assessment of volume status. Sign and symptoms of fluid retention, sign and symptoms of fluid retention, diuretic titrate to euvolemic state. No sign and symptoms of fluid retention, ACE inhibitor, blocker and diet and activity. Salt restrictions, इसमें नमक या सोडियम की मात्रा बहुत ही कम या रेस्ट्रिक्शन करनी चाहिए डाइट में। फ्लूइड रेस्ट्रिक्शंस, डेली वेट टेलर थेरेपी, ग्रेजुअल एक्सर्शन प्रोग्राम, डायूरेटिक थेरेपी। द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव सिम्टोमेटिक रिलीफ, माइल्ड सिम्टम्स, HCTZ, क्लोरोथाइलिडोन, metalozone, block Na, sodium reabsorption in the loop of Henle and distal convoluted tubules. Thiazide are effective with GFR, glomerular retention greater than 30 per minute. Diuretic. Side effects, pre-renal azotemia, skin disease, neutropenia, thrombocytopenia, hyperglycemia, increased uric acid and hepatic dysfunction। ये डायरेटिक ड्रग्स के साइड इफ़ेक्ट हैं, जैसे कि फ्री रीनल एजोटेमिया, स्किन रेसेस, स्किन पर रेसेस होने लगते हैं, न्यूट्रोपनिया, थ्रोम्बोसाइटोपेनिया, हाइपरग्लाइसेमिया, इंक्रीज यूरिक एसिड इंक्रीज हो जाती है, हिपेटिक डिसफंक्शन, और जो हिपेटिक है तो हिपेटिक लीवर डिसफंक्शन हो जाता है। डायूरेटिक, मोर सीवियर हार्ट फेलियर, लूप डायूरेटिक्स, लेसिक्स 20 to 320 मिलीग्राम QD, फ्यूसेमाइड, ब्यूमेक्स, ब्यूमेटानाइट 1 to 8 mg और टोर्सेमाइड 20 to 200 mg। What are the mechanism of action? Inhibit chloride reabsorption in ascending limbs of loops of Henle, result in nucleosis, chlorosis and metabolic alkalosis. Adverse reaction, pre-renal azotemia, hypokalemia, skin races, ototoxicity. Potassium sparing agents, triametrine and amylorides act on distal tubules to lower potassium secretion. Spironolactone, aldosterone inhibitor. Recent evidence suggests that it may improve survival in chronic heart failure patients due to the effect on renin-angiotensin aldosterone systems with subsequent effect on myocardial remodeling and fibrosis. Inhibitor of renin-angiotensin as aldosterone systems. Renin-angiotensin aldosterone systems is activation early in the course of heart failure and play an important role in progression of syndrome. Angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor, angiotensin receptors blockers, spironolactone. Renin-angiotensins. Aldosterone symptoms activation early in the course of heart failure play an important role in progression of symptoms. Angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor, angiotensin receptor blocker, spironolactone, angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor. They block the RAA systems by inhibiting the conversion of angiotensin. First, angiotensin. Second, lead vasodilation and lower Na retention. Lower bradykinin degradations. Upper its level Pg secretion. Nitric oxides. ACE inhibitor were found to improve survival in CHF patients. Delay onset and progression of HF in heart failure in PTS with asymptomatics मतलब no symptoms. LV dysfunctions, decreased cardiac remodeling. Side effect of ACE inhibitor. What are the side effects of ACE inhibitor? Angioedema, hypotension, renal insufficiency, rashes or cough. Angiotensin second receptor blocker has comparable effect to ACE. Can be used in certain condition. It can be used in certain condition when ACE are contraindicated. Angioneurotic edema cough. Digitalis glycosides are also called digoxin or digitoxins. The roles of digitalis and digoxin has declined somewhat because of safety concern. Recent studies have shown that digitalis does not affect mortality. It does not affect in recent studies. It has shown that digitalis does not affect mortality in CHF patient, but cause significant reduction in hospitalization and reduction in symptoms of heart failure. Digitalis positive inotropic effect by increase intracellular calcium and enhancing actin myosin, cross-bride information, bind to the sodium potassium ATP as inhibit sodium pump and leads increase intracellular sodium and leads to increase sodium and calcium exchange. Vagotonic effect, arrhythmogenic effect. Digitalis toxicity, neurotherapeutic to toxic ratio. Non-cardiac manifestation are the anorexia, nausea, vomiting, headache, xanthopsia, sotoma, disorientation. Digitalis toxicity, cardiac manifestation, sinus bradycardia and arrest, AV block usually second degree, atrial tachycardia with IV block, development of junctional rhythm in patient with a fever, PVC, VT bidirectional VT. Digitalis toxicity treatment, hold the medication observation. In case of AV block or severe bradycardia, leads atropine followed by temporary PM if needed. In life-threatening arrhythmia, digoxin specific Fab antibodies, lidocaine and phenytoin could be used. Try to avoid DC cardio version in non-life-threatening arrhythmia. Beta blocker has been traditionally contraindicated in PTS with chronic heart failure. Now, they are the mainstay in treatment on coronary heart failure, chronic heart failure, and may be the only medication that show substantial improvement in LV function. In addition to improved LV function, multiple studies show improved survival. The only contraindication is severe decompensated chronic heart failure. Carvedilol in heart failure. Effective receptor blockade approach to heart failure. Vasodilator. Reduction of afterload by atriolar vasodilation, hydrolyzing, reduce LVEDP, oxygen consumption, improve myocardial perfusion, stroke volume, and COP. Reduction of preload. First, reduction of afterload, then second is reduction of preload by venous dilation, nitrate. The venous return the load on both ventricles. Usually the maximum benefit is achieved by using agent with both action. Usually the maximum benefit is achieved by using agent with both action. Positive inotropic agents. These are the drugs that improve myocardial contractility. Beta adrenergic agonist, dopaminergic agent, phosphodiesterase inhibitor. Positive inotropic agents are the drugs that improve myocardial contractility. Beta adrenergic agonist, dopaminergic agents, and phosphodiesterase inhibitor. Dopamine, dobutamine, milrinone, and amironone. Several studies show that increased motility with oral inotropic agent. So the only use of them now is the active setting as cardiogenic shock. Anticoagulation, Coumadin, atrial fibrillations, history of embolic episode, and left ventricular apical thrombus. Antiarrhythmic. Most common cause of SCD in these patients is ventricular tachyarrhythmia. Patient with history of sustained VT or SCD ICD implant. Antiarrhythmics. Patient with non-sustained ventricular tachycardia. Correction of electrolyte acid-base imbalance. In patient with ischemic cardiomyopathy, ICD implant is the option after RO. Acute ischemia is the cause. In patient with non-ischemic cardiomyopathy, management is ICD implantation. New method implantable ventricle assist device, bioventricle pacing only in patient with LBBB and chronic heart failure, atrial artificial heart, cardiac transplant. It has become more widely used since the advance in immunosuppressive treatment. Survival rate 1 year 80% to 90% and next 5 years 70%. Prognosis. Annual mortality rates depend on patient symptoms and LV function. 5% in patient with mild symptoms and mild lower in LV function. 30% to 50% in patient with advanced LV dysfunction and severe symptoms. 40 to 50% of death is due to ACD. Thank you.